This is second part of WooCommerce Flutter video. If you haven't checked the first part, you can find link in description. You can support us by going for the source code just for $1. Now let's go through new features we implemented in our app. So this is how our app looks at present. If in the first part of this app we did the category part, we listed category, we created a beautiful screen for our category, and now when we click on the category we go to respective products. Same way that how it's working in the website. And if you notice, we have also implemented the lazy loading part. We can also say it's the pagination. You can see the lazy loading is working. If we go to website, here we have the main categories, and if we go to the category, suppose we go to home improvement, then we see these products. I think here also we get to see the same products. Maybe the sorting of product is a bit different, but the products are same. Now let's check the code once. So in the first part we did the category screen, we did category model, category HTTP service, and in this part we have implemented the HTTP service for products. Also we have divided the HTTP module in two parts, so we have separated this get request, and we are using this get request both in fetch product as well as fetch category. Next we have created a model for this product, and in this model we are parsing the products JSON data of the product, and we are instantiating the product model. Next we have the product screen, and in product screen we have used package velocity X, and we have also used infinite scroll pagination, and this is how we are listing the products. And here we have the add to cart button, which is not working at present, but this is what we will work in the next video. We will create the cart feature or the add to cart feature, and in WooCommerce API there is no add to cart feature endpoint to call, so the handling of cart need to be done in the app itself. Once the products goes to cart, we can use the checkout page to place order, because there is an endpoint for placing order. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is what we have done in this new part of app. And once again I would like to say, if you want the source code, you can support us by going for the source code. It is just for $1 or 83 rupees. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you liked the app.